everyone, my name is Quan Bao. I come from 2CI3 Winfield School. Today I will make a shadow puppet story. The story name is Fox and Crow. Now let's go. One day, a hungry crow was looking for something to eat. She found a piece of cheese and sat on the branch of a tree to eat it. But a fox saw the crow. He was hungry too and wanted that piece of cheese for himself. So he walked to the foot of the tree and talked to the crow. "Oh, my dear crow, how beautiful you are! How glossy your feathers! How bright your eye! Surely you have a sweet voice. Can I hear you sing a song for me?" The crow felt proud on hearing this and began to sing. At the moment she opened her mouth, the piece of tea fell down to the ground. The fox snapped it up and loud said to the crow, "Thank you, that was all I want. In exchange for your teeth, I will give you a piece of advice. Do not judge flatters." The story is end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.